Good morning, everyone. I hope you are staying safe at your home. You are listening here to Mama and your Papa and also studying what we are giving you. So today we will do new objects. Okay, let's see. Gift, gift, goose, gift, goose, grandmother, goldfish, goldfish, goat, gate, gate, goat, goldfish, gun, gun, garden, garden, gardener, gardener, Gitu, Gitu, grapes, grapes, glass, glass. Now, do you understand which sound is coming? Coming from here? G sound. G, G, G sound. G, G. Now we will speak the objects with G sound. G, gate. G, gate. G, goat. G, goat. G, goldfish. G, goldfish. G, grandmother. G, grandmother. G, goose. G, goose. G, gift. G, gift. G, gardener. G, gardener. G, garden. G, garden. G, garden. This is a big garden. G, gun. G, gun. G, Gitu. G, Gitu. G, grapes. G, grapes. G, glass. G, glass. Stay safe. Thank you.